know that roasting meat can be somewhat intimidating, usually because the cuts that we're so used to roasting can be so expensive, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I roasted a 3.5-pound bottom round roast. It's a cheaper cut, but it looks just as elegant. It went for a little over an hour, and I served it with some roasted veggies, and it is perfect for any special occasion. Here, I will show you how to do that step by step. Favorite herbs and spices, a little bit of oil, pop them in the oven uncovered, set it and forget it for a little bit, and then boom,